Hello everyone, and in this update we're going to be talking about the two cyclones that are out in the Atlantic right now, Hurricane Humberto and Tropical Storm Imelda. In my last update I gave a little info on what could possibly happen with the track of Imelda, and that all depends on Humberto, how strong it gets and how close it gets. And so far the track for Imelda has changed 3 times. The original track had it hitting the Carolinas, and that was because Humberto was still very far away from Imelda. It was over 1,000 miles away. It was basically too far away to affect the track of Imelda. But since that time, Humberto has become a Cat 5 hurricane, and it has been forecast to get within 900 miles of Imelda. Basically, the closer the stronger storm gets, the more it can affect the track of the weaker storm. The second track that was forecast for Imelda was for it to take a sharp eastern turn right about where Bermuda is. This time, the track has changed again, and it is forecast to take a more northeastern turn before it goes past Bermuda and then take a more northern turn later on. Will this be the last time that its track changes? Probably not, because as long as Humberto is strong and stays out there close to it, then its track, the track of Imelda that is, will still be up in the air until it happens. Currently, Imelda is forecast to become a hurricane sometime on Tuesday and may actually hit Bermuda sometime on Wednesday. Right now, Tropical Storm Imelda has winds of 65 miles an hour or 100 kilometers an hour, and it is traveling at 9 miles an hour or 15 kilometers an hour in a northerly direction. The minimum central pressure is 985 millibars. The last 2 tracks show it impacting Bermuda, and there is a hurricane watch in effect for Bermuda. Now we're going to talk about Hurricane Humberto, and that hurricane was a Cat 5 but has weakened to a Cat 4 hurricane. It now has winds of 140 miles an hour or 220 kilometers an hour. It is currently 295 miles southwest of Bermuda. It is traveling to the northwest at about 13 miles an hour. It is expected to turn northeastward late Tuesday or early Wednesday and then begin to speed up. It is expected to weaken over the next few days. Sometime over the next few days, probably late Wednesday, Hurricane Humberto and by then Hurricane Imelda will cross path. If you live out in Bermuda, you might want to watch this hurricane too, because while it's not forecast to hit Bermuda, it is forecast to pass very close to the west of Bermuda. So continue to watch both Hurricane Imelda and Hurricane Humberto to see what happens with them. And that's it for now. I will see you in the next video.